Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the top 50 important current affairs of April month, which is part 2. Part 1 has already uploaded. We start. Which Indian department announces the postponement of implementation of uniform stamp duty on capital market instruments for 3 months? Answer is Department of Revenue. Department of Revenue announces the postponement of implementation of uniform stamp duty on capital market instruments for 3 months. It is up to July 1st, 2020. Department of Revenue comes under Finance Minister. The present Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Next, name the organization which launched the competition titled United Against Corona Express through art. The art in the time of Corona. Answer is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Indian Council for Cultural Relations has launched competition that is United Against Corona Express through art. The headquarter of Indian Council for Cultural Relations is New Delhi and present chairman is Vinay Sahasrabuddhe. Next, under which section of Income Tax Act 1961 the donations of PM Cares Fund granted with 100% exemption? Answer is under section 80G. Under section 80G of Income Tax Act 1961 donations for PM Cares Fund granted with 100% exemption. PM Cares Fund stands for, abbreviation is very important, PM Cares, Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation, which is created on 28 March 2020. Next, Navaratnalu Pedarandariki Illu program is launched by which state recently? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh state government has launched Navaratnalu Pedalandariki Illu program to provide housing for all poor people. The present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandran. Next, the NCC has offered volunteer cadets to assist civilian authorities to fight against COVID-19 under exercise NCC Yogadan. Where is the headquarter of NCC? Answer is New Delhi. New Delhi is the headquarter of NCC and present Director General of NCC is Rajiv Chopra. Next, name the Indian state which topped all India level micro irrigation under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana for financial year 2020. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the top India level micro irrigation. The present Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Eddapadi K. Palaniswamy and Governor is Banwarlal Purohit. Next, National Highway Authority of India has achieved the record of constructing 3,979 km highway for financial year 2020. Who is the chairman of National Highway Authority of India? Answer is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu is the present chairman of National Highway Authority of India and the headquarter of National Highway Authority of India is New Delhi. Next, name the Indian state which has announced 5T plan to control COVID-19. 5T stands for testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork, tracking and monitoring. This 5T plan is launched by which state or union territory to control COVID-19? Answer is New Delhi. The present Chief Minister of New Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor is Anil Baijal. Next, name the initiative which was launched by HRD, Human Resource Development Ministry, along with AICTE for students to fight COVID-19. Answer is Samadhan. The present Union Minister for HRD is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Next, which Indian city ranked as top smart city in India for its execution of smart projects in handling COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad ranked top in smart city. Next, what is the name of mobile doctor booth that was developed by West Central Railway Coach Rehabilitation Workshop? Answer is Cherak. Cherak is the mobile doctor booth that was developed by West Central Railway. The Cherak is to eliminate the possibility of physical contact between doctors and coronavirus infected patients. Next, with which world organization Hindustan Unilever Limited joined to launch has Break the Chain campaign to combat COVID-19? Answer is UNICEF. Answer is UNICEF. The headquarters of UNICEF is New York, USA, and present Director General of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. Next, name the Indian ministry which was launched Bharat Padhe online campaign. Answer is HRD Minister. Answer is Ministry of Human Resource and Development. The present Ministry of Human Resource and Development is Ramesh Nishank Pokhriyal. Next, what is the unemployment rate in India during March 30 April 5 2020 as per the Center for Monitoring of Indian Economy? Answer is 23.4%. Unemployment rate as per Center for Monitoring Indian Economy is 23.4%. Next, name the railway station which is first in India Railways to install sanitizing tunnels. Answer is Ahmedabad Railway Station. Ahmedabad Railway Station is the first railway station in India to install sanitizing tunnels. Next, name the first Indian state which gets ICMR approval to clinical trial of plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19. Plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19. Answer is Kerala. Kerala is the first state in India which gets ICMR approval. ICMR stands for Indian Council for Medical Research to conduct clinical trial of plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patients. Next, which organization organizes Break the Corona Chain campaign on Ground Zero Oat Virus Indian states? Answer is IFFCO. IFFCO stands for Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative, which organizes Break the Corona Chain. The headquarters of IFFCO is New Delhi and chairman is B.S. Nayak. B.S. Nakai. B.S. Nakai is the chairman of Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative. Next, name the Indian state which has launched food bank initiative with the theme of help and hunger today for poor and needy people. Answer is Manipur. Recently, Manipur government has launched food bank initiative with the theme of help and hunger today The present Chief Minister of Manipur is N. Biren Singh and Governor is Najma Heptullah. Next, name the first state in India which integrates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19. Answer is Goa. Goa is the first state in India which integrates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patients. The present Chief Minister of Goa is Pramod Sawant and Governor is Satyapal Malik. Next, in how many phases Census India 2021 will be conducted, which is announced as March 2020? Answer is 2 phases. Census India comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. Next, name the first Indian state which initiated pool testing for COVID-19. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the first state in India which initiated pool testing for COVID-19. The present Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next, Jim Corbett National Park has become India's first quarantine center for animals. Where does Jim Corbett National Park located? Answer is Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. The present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat and Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Next, which Indian ministry has launched webinar series named Dekho Apna Desh? Dekho Apna Desh webinar series, which is launched by which Indian minister? Answer is Tourism Ministry. Tourism Ministry has launched Dekho Apna Desh webinar series. The present Minister of Tourism is Prahalad Singh Patel. Next, name the company which has launched an initiative named Pragati to drive women entrepreneurship and to spread awareness and adoption of technology among women in India. Answer is Google. Google has launched an initiative named Pragati for adopting technology among women. The headquarters of Google is California, US, and Google CEO is Sundar Pichai. Next, name the first Indian city which announced face mask is mandatory in public places. Answer is Mumbai. Mumbai is the first Indian city which announces face mask is mandatory in public places. Next, name the Indian state which has launched E-Sanjeevani OPD recently. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is the first Indian state which has launched E-Sanjeevani OPD. Next, name the first state in India which has software based in-house virtual court facility. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh has launched software based house virtual court facility. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next, what is the coal production target of the country for financial year 2021 as per Union Coal and Mine Minister Prahalad Joshi? Answer is 710 million tons. 710 million tons is the target of the country for the financial year 2021. Next, name the ministry which has launched Ash My Book My Friend campaign on World Book Day. Answer is Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Ministry of Human Resource and Development has launched as My Book My Friend campaign on World Book Day. World Book Day is April 23rd. April 23rd, World Book Day. Next, name the first government hospital in India which successfully launched convalescent plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patients. Answer is King George Medical University. King George Medical University is the first government hospital in India which successfully launched CPT treatment or convalescent plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patients. King George Medical University is in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Next, with which country India has completed 70 years diplomatic relations recently? Answer is China. Recently, India has completed 70-year diplomatic relationship with China. The present president of China is Xi Jinping. Next, name the organization which has adopted resolution Global Solidarity to fight the coronavirus disease 2019. Answer is United Nations General Assembly. The headquarters of United Nations General Assembly is New York, USA, and director is Tijani Muhammad Bande. Next, what is the name of tiger which was from New York Bronx Zoo and infected with COVID-19? Answer is Nadia. Next, how many people working in informal sector in India have risk of falling into poverty as per International Labour Organization report? Answer is 400 million people. As per the report of International Labour Organization, 400 million people working in informal sector in India have risk of falling into poverty. The headquarters of International Labour Organization is Geneva, Switzerland, and Director General of International Labour Organization is Guy Ryder. Next, name the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis or marijuana plant farming legalized. Answer is Lebanon. Lebanon is the first Arab nation which is going to legalize cannabis farming. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Next, which group of countries has launched the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator? Answer is G20. G20 group of countries has launched Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator initiative recently. Next, what is the amount India holds as US government securities as an end of February 2020? As per the United States Treasury Department, it creates highest value of record. Answer is $177.5 billion. Next, which among the following world first airline which conduct rapid antibody test to its passengers? Answer is Emirates Airline. Emirates Airline is the first airline in the world which conduct rapid antibody test to its passengers. Next, name the Indian state which provides free food to citizens via Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen. Answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is Indian state. It provides free food to citizens via Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen. The present Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren and Governor is Draupadi Murmu. Next, what is the amount of fund released to states and union territories under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? Answer is 7,300 crores. The Act of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme is 2005. Next, name the Indian state which has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana to benefit Anganwadi workers and assistants. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The present Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, name the scheme which was launched by PM Modi on occasion of National Panchayati Day on April 24 and also launched e-Gram Swaraj portal and mobile app. Answer is Swamitwa. Swamitwa is a scheme which was launched by PM Modi on occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day, which is celebrated on April 24. Next, name the Indian state which was launched Dhanvantari scheme, under which locally unavailable medicines will be delivered to patients at home. Answer is Assam. Recently, Assam state government has launched Dhanvantari scheme, under which medicines will be delivered to patients at home. The present Chief Minister of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal and Governor is Jagadish Mukhi. Next, what is the enhanced foreign portfolio investment limit in corporate bonds as per RBI for financial year 21? Answer is 15%. FPI stands for foreign portfolio investment and another one FDI stands for foreign direct investment. Next, which private sector bank of India has launched banking services in WhatsApp? Answer is ICICI Bank. The headquarter of ICICI Bank is Mumbai. And next, what is the amount that was generated as loan by Asian Development Bank to Awas financiers to improve women access to housing in India? Answer is $60 million. The headquarter of ADB is Philippines and present president is Masaru Asakawa. Next, Corona Care is the India's first hospitalization insurance provided by which digital payments company in collaboration with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance? Answer is PhonePe. The headquarter of PhonePe is Bengaluru. Next, name the public sector bank which has listed green bonds worth of 100 million in INX Global Security Market Green Platform. Answer is State Bank of India. The headquarter of State Bank of India is Mumbai and chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Next, name the banks which was nominated by central government for collecting donations of PM CARES Fund in addition to State Bank of India. Answer is both 1 and 3. Indian Overseas Bank and HDFC Bank was nominated by central government for collecting donations of PM CARES Fund. The headquarter of Indian Overseas Bank is Chennai and the headquarter of Housing Development Finance Corporation is Mumbai. Next, the Reserve Bank of India has relaxed norms to increase the number of days that a state or union territory can continue to overdraft to how many days? From 14 days. Answer is 21 days. Reserve Bank of India has recently relaxed norms to increase the number of days of overdraft from 14 days to 21 days. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is Mumbai and present governor is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das, he is the 25th governor of Reserve Bank of India. Friends, these are the important top 50 current affairs in the month of April part 2. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. If friends, please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.